In this video, you'll learn how to open an eBay account. By following these steps, you will be ready to start buying and selling items on one of the largest online marketplaces in the world. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Once the browser is open, type in the URL for the official eBay website and press enter. You will be directed to the home page where you can find various options. Look for the register link, which is typically located near the top of the page. Click on this link to initiate the account creation process. After clicking register, a registration form will appear. This form will request some basic information, including your name, email address, and a password. It is essential to ensure that your email address is entered correctly, as eBay will send a verification message to this address. When creating your password, make it secure by including a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. Providing accurate information is important for ensuring smooth transactions in the future. Once you have filled in the registration form with the required details, review the information for accuracy. After confirming that everything is correct, submit the form. At this stage, you should check your email inbox for a message from eBay. This email will contain a verification link that is necessary to activate your account. In your email inbox, locate the verification message from eBay. Open this email and look for the link provided. Click on the verification link to activate your account. This action will confirm your email address and complete your registration process. After clicking the link, you may see a confirmation message indicating that your account has been successfully activated. Now that your account is verified, you can return to the eBay website. Click on the sign in option, usually found at the top of the homepage. Enter your email address and the password you created earlier to log in. Once logged in, you are ready to explore eBay's vast marketplace where you can browse, buy, or even sell items. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.